Hello guys, it's Jigen here. Today we are opening the Jigen deck for BakuTech. So yeah, got the top there. Sides, talking about the bind system and stuff. There's the back. So yeah, basically that's that. So let's go ahead and open it. There we go. One tape piece off. And then the other one is now off, and the scissors are, there we go, they got off my hand. Alright, here we go. So, you get some extra Bakugan, which is always nice. So, I wonder if this comes with the, oh yeah it does, never mind. Okay, so, alright, so, let's start with just some random stuff here they gave you. So, this, and this. Let's get to the cards. Get some like green ability cards, like fusions. Get some cards here, and some more cards here. Can't read them. Alright. Let me actually figure out the names of these guys so I don't sound like an idiot. Okay. Alright. So, you got Glide. You got all three of them, and all three of them again. So, you got Jigen, Dragon, Let's Go, and Glide. So, alright. Okay, makes enough sense, I guess. You also get the Jigen ring, so I'm not really sure how that all works, but we'll figure it out, guys. The Jigen ring. Ooh. I don't know, I just like this. Oh god. It's not gonna be big enough for my finger, is it? Looks small. If I can get it out, that'd be nice. Probably can like hold it or something if you actually need it. Okay. This is the Jigen ring. So you put your ring finger in it, or what finger do you put in? I think you're supposed to put your ring finger then? Well, pinky works best. Oh, wait, no. There we go. Yeah. Anyways, so after that, just want to show that they give you the Jigen ring. I don't remember what that was for. I think that's like for modes or something, but I don't know. He's weird. Jigen's weird. I don't know how he exactly works. So, alright. Alright. So, here's one of them. Let's see who that all is. Oh, okay, he just opens. This is Let's Go, so let me open this manual parts to get some manual feet. And that's it. It looks really weird, actually. Feet, arms, with like cross parts, little things up here. This thing, and his head. His head's really small. He's a big horn, though. So, next up is N Glide. So, yeah. Alright. So here we go. There he is. Oh man, where's his head? Oh, he was opened up backwards. Never mind. So, yeah, even of his feet and stuff. So. Try to see what other manual parts he has. Oh crap, I forgot to show the G power on Let's Go. 620. And same on N Glide. So he looks pretty cool. Alright, now to the star of the show. Jigen Dragoan. Here we go. He's the evolution of Rise Dragoan. Basically there's, Flare Dragoan, Gren Dragoan, Rise Dragoan, Jigen Dragoan, and Bujin Dragoan. Which is arguably not even like real Dragoan, but I don't know. I'm not sure if it's a real Dragoan or not. Like, I don't know if he's in the show or manga or whatever. I can't open this, guys. Help. I think he's stuck. I need to just use the scissors. Hold up. So, he definitely looks awesome. Of course he opens the wrong way. Oh wow. He is an interesting looking there. So you got all these things. He opens up just fine. Back here, what's this do? What's this? Let's open up. Doesn't look like it. I feel like it does, but I don't think it does. Hold up. No, I'm just gonna go with no. So, he is a bind system, so he comes apart. So here's Jigen. Kind of reminds me of LaShao a little bit. Here's Dragoan. And here's Jigen Dragoan. Boom. So, okay. No, there's not a cross part up here, by the way. Yeah, Jigen Dragoan, there he is. Don't really know what else to say about him. I don't really know what to do with the Jigen ring, so if someone knows what to do, I'll figure it out. But like, if someone knows, you just tell me, just in case, because I might not figure it out. So we'll see. Hopefully I do, but you never know with me. So anyway, guys, it's really all. So yeah, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.